Welcome to Make Money Online 101, Essential Tips for Beginners. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and insights on how to make money online. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your online income to the next level, this video will guide you through the basics of making money online. One essential tip for beginners is to choose the right online platform. The options are vast, ranging from freelance work platforms to e-commerce websites and online marketplaces. It's important to do your research and find the platform that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. This will increase your chances of success in making money online. Another important tip is to identify your skills and interests. Making money online becomes more enjoyable and sustainable when you pursue something you're passionate about. Whether it's writing, graphic design, photography, or teaching, there are numerous opportunities to monetize your skills and hobbies online. So take some time to figure out what you're good at and what you love doing. Investing in knowledge and education is crucial for your online success. There are various online courses, tutorials, and resources available to help you enhance your skills and stay updated with the latest trends. By continuously learning and improving, you'll be able to offer valuable services and products, attracting more customers and generating income. Building a strong online presence is key to attracting clients and customers. Create a professional website or portfolio to showcase your work and highlight your expertise. Utilize social media platforms to engage with your target audience and promote your products or services. Remember, a well-established online presence can significantly boost your credibility and increase your earning potential. Networking and collaboration can open doors to new opportunities and help grow your online income. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups related to your niche. Connect with like-minded individuals, potential clients, and industry experts. Collaborating with others can expand your reach, provide valuable insights, and even lead to joint ventures or partnerships. If you're creating content online, consider monetizing it. Whether it's through ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, there are numerous ways to monetize your content. However, be authentic and provide value to your audience. Building a loyal following and delivering quality content is essential for sustainable long-term income. Lastly, stay consistent and persistent. Making money online is not an overnight success story. It takes time, effort, and dedication. Set realistic goals, stay motivated, and don't give up when faced with challenges. Building a sustainable online income requires consistency in delivering value, engaging with your audience, and continuously adapting to changes in the online landscape. Congratulations! You've learned some essential tips for making money online as a beginner. Remember, it's a journey of continuous learning and growth. Apply these tips, explore different opportunities, and stay committed to achieving your online income goals. Best of luck on your online money-making journey.